You're gonna slice your zucchini super thin. Thinly slice half of a purple onion, 3 garlic cloves, some basil. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, flour, cornmeal, half a teaspoon dried oregano, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of olive oil, half a cup of water, your minced garlic, and your chopped basil. Pour the mixture into your prepared baking dish and sprinkle with your Parmesan cheese, covering the whole thing. 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, just on the top. Now you're going to bake it at 350 until golden brown. Zucchini scarpaccia, or a tart, if you will. So good.